Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable taskbar and touchpad in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. If you want to disable this taskbar, then go to Settings. Now go to Personalization. Scroll down. Here you can see taskbar. Click on it. Now you can see here Task View. You just have to turn off this button. And now if you want to disable your touchpad, then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down. Here you can see Touchpad. You have to click on it. Now you just have to turn off this button. Or you can customize your touchpad by changing its speed and go to More Touchpad Settings. Here you can increase and decrease the speed, and you can turn on click lock by pressing the button. Then click on apply and OK. So this is how you can disable task view and touchpad in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.